Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this paper is Polyset 2020. So it is entrance for Polytechnic course. So I am going to give you the key of this paper. And this is set D, and you have different. If you have different sets, then go to the corresponding question what I am discussing here. So the first question is, the answer is A and B are disjoint sets, and option B. So it is x minus 3 is answer. And third one, it is option 2, which is minus 1, and fourth one, it is equal to 2, which is option 2. So for this, it is 4. Look at the number of solutions of pair of equations. So it is infinitely many solutions. So for sixth one, 5 years ago Ramu was thrice as old as Somu. For this question, so the answer is 50, 20. Okay, so the pair of linear equations intersect at, so the correct option for this is 2, 1. So the pair of linear equations will intersect at this point 2, 1. Okay, and eighth one, for what value of k does the quadratic equation 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0 will have equal roots? Then k is equal to plus or minus 4. So a takes 6 days. So the next question, a takes 6 days less than the time taken by, so for this question the answer is 12 days. Okay, so 10th one, if the product of two consecutive integers is 306, then quadratic equation represents x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. Okay, so the next one, 11th one, actually there is no solution for this a, hence we cannot find AB. I think this is an add score. Okay, so the 12th one, so the missing term of this arithmetic progression is 18. 13th one, so the answer is 30. So for this 1 plus 3 plus so on plus n to n terms by 2 plus 5 plus 8 so on to 8 terms equal to 9. So the value of n is 30. 14th one, the sixth term of GP is, so this question, for this question answer is 162. And for 15th one, so the answer is, for this question, the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two numbers are 75 and 21. So then the two numbers are 3, 147. Okay, so the next question is, if the points x, 9, 0, 1, they are collinear, then the value of x is 6. Okay, so the area of triangle for these vertices, so it is 0. Okay, so the slope of line perpendicular to 13x minus 7 plus, so answer is minus 7 by 13. Okay, so 19th one, the midpoint of the line joining these 2 points, so it is 1, 2. So the ratio in which this x-axis divides the line segment joining the 2 points, 2 given points, so answer is 3:4. The point on the x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 given points, it is minus 7, 0. Okay, so 22nd one, so in this given figure PQ is equal to 5QR. So for this answer, the answer is 2.7 centimeters. 23, so if these corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 2:3, then their corresponding altitudes will also be in the ratio 2:3. 24, so for this given figure we need to calculate AD. So AD is nothing but BC by root over B square plus C square. 25, so if the circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters, then the area of quadrant of circle is, so it is 9.625 centimeters square or square centimeter. So for 26th one, 4 equal circles each of radius 7 centimeters. So for this question the answer is 42 square centimeter. And 27, the length of tangent from point 15 centimeters away from its center of radius 9 centimeters is 12 centimeters. 28, if the two circles touch internal, then the number of their common tangents is 1. Okay, next, if the radius of circle is tripled, then its volume will become 27 times. 30, a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in cylindrical bowl. So for this question the answer is 15.4 liters. Okay, the total surface area of cone with slant height, so for this the answer is 396 pi square meters. 32, cos 90 minus theta into sin, so the value is tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And 33, so this value cos 1 degree into cos 2 somewhere, so it is cos 180 degrees. So for this the value is 0, which is option 2. 34, the value of tan 65 by cot 25, so this is 1. 35, so 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30, so the value is tan 60 degrees. if a tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 and sin a is equal to 1 by root 2, then the value of b is 15 degrees. 37. X is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. So the value of this, it is a square b square. So the value of sin theta, 38th one, the value of sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So the value is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 39th one. So a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. So the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied. So for this, the answer is 40 root 3 meters. Next one, 40. What is the angle of elevation of sun if the length of shadow is of tower is 1 by root 3 times? So the value is 60 degrees. Okay. Next, 41. The angle of elevation of top of a tower standing on this horizontal plane. So this is d by cot alpha minus cot beta. 42. Two friends are born in the year 2000. The probability that they have same birthday is 1 by 366. 43. In a simultaneous toss of two coins, the probability of getting at least one head. So it is 1 by 2, which is option 3. 44. If a die is thrown once, then the probability of getting a prime number is again 1 by 2, which is option 4. 45th one. If E and E bar are the events of occurrence and non-occurrence of two random events, respectively, then given P of E is equal to 0.05, then P of not E, so which is 0.95. Okay. So 46. So in a graphical method, representation of frequency distribution of the distance between. So for this question, the answer is 3. 47. So if the mean of 100 observations is 49 by an error, so some data is given. So the value of this answer is 40, which is 50, which is option 4. 48. A car manufacturing company announced that most of the people. So the answer is mode. 49. If the median of 10 observations, so some observations are given, and here the value of unknown x is, which is 34. 50. The mean of n natural numbers is 15, then the value of n is 29. 51. The difference between maximum and minimum observations of the data is nothing but range. 52. Which of the following is an irrational number? So it is pi. A, B, C are real numbers, and which of the following is associative property, which is option 2. 54. Which of the following is terminating repeating? So terminating decimal, so that means option 2, 21 by 2 cube into 5 square. 55. So if P and Q are co-primes, then HCF of P comma Q is 1. 56. The smallest number which leaves the reminders 8 and 12 when divided by 28 and 32 respectively is. So the answer is 204. So 57. Which of the following statements is true? So here all the given statements are true, which is option 4, all of the above. 58. If the characteristic of a logarithm of a number is n, then number of digits in the number is n plus 1. Option 3. 59. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, then A minus B is 1, 2, 3. 60. So here two sets are given in set builder forms. So A is x such that it is an even number less than 10, and B is also x such that it is a prime number less than 10. So the value of n of A intersection B, so which is 1. So this is regarding the key of maths. Now I am going to explain or give the answers of physics. Okay. 61. A rectangular tank of depth 4 meters. So for this question the answer is 3 meters. 62. To examine the internal organs of human body through light, the doctor use optical fiber. 63. A bird is flying vertical downwards. So for this the answer is farther than actual distance. 64. The angle between parallaxial rays and principal axis is 0 degrees. Next. A convex lens has focal length of 10 centimeters. If u is the object distance, then the image distance is given by. So the answer is 10u by u minus 10. 66. A double concave lens of refractive index for this. So the answer is minus 36 centimeters. 67. For a person with myopia defect, the maximum focal length of eye lens is less than 2.5 centimeters. Okay. 8th one. The sensation of vision on the retina is carried to the brain by optical nerves. 69. So here option A is true, only A is true, but B is false. Okay. 70. In a glass prism, the green light is dispersed more than the red light. Next, 71. A person cannot see objects beyond 40 centimeters. The power of lens is minus 2.5 diopter. 72. A bulb draws a current of 0.2 amperes and 220 volts. So the resistance is 1110 ohms. So 1100 ohms, which is option 1. 73. Volt is the SI unit of, actually it is the SI unit of potential difference, but there is no potential difference given, so the answer is none of these. 74. 4 resistors each of 1.5 ohms are arranged in the form of parallel, so the answer is 1.5 ohms. 75. So the material which has resistivity of about 10 into 10 power 10. Okay, so 10 into 10 power 10 ohm meter at 20 degrees, so the answer is glass. 76. When both the length and area of wire are doubled, then the resistance will remain same. 77. The work done by electric field in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point is called potential difference. 78. So for this, some 2 incoming currents are given and 1 x, 2 are outgoing currents. So for this, the value of x is 2.5 amperes. 79. The magnetic force acting on a moving charge is given by the product of these 3 quantities, which are charge, speed and magnetic flux density. 80. Lenz law gives the direction of induced current, which is option 3. 81. An auto driver has started his auto with the help of a rope by pulling, so the device is used is dynamo, which is option number 4. 82. So the material more suitable for core of the electromagnet is soft iron. 83. A conductor moving with speed of 20 meters per second, so the value of this is 0.5 meters. 84. The magnetic field lines due to the horseshoe magnet between its poles are, there will be closed loops of irregular shape. 85. A bar magnet. 5. So the bar magnet is moved towards a coil, so in first case it is slowly and in second case it is quickly. So the induced EMF is large in case B. 86. So which of the following pairs of units measure the temperature? So it is degrees Celsius and Kelvin. 87. Humidity means, so it is the amount of water vapor present in air or in atmospheric air. 88. So 40 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius is added to 60 grams of water at 30 degrees Celsius. So the final temperature of their mixture. So the answer is 42 degrees, which is less than 50 degrees Celsius. So option 1 is correct answer. 89. So ghee is converted from liquid to solid state during winter season. So this process is known as freezing. 90. The total internal reflection in diamond makes it shine because the critical angle of diamond is very low. So this is the key regarding physics. So now I'm going to explain the key regarding chemistry. So it is 91. So the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The color of methyl orange in alkaline is yellow. Which of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? So it is an antacid. 94. The number of water molecules present in one formula unit of gypsum is 2. 95. The names of subshells, so for this it is 3s, 3p and 3d, which is option 2. As per Moeller chart, the correct order, so correct ascending order of their energies, so will be 3s less than 3p less than 4s less than 4d. So it is based on n plus L values, so which is option 1. 97. The maximum number of electrons for L shell. So for L shell the answer is 8. So the formula used is 2n square. So for L shell n is equal to 2. So if you put n is equal to 2, then you will get 8. 98. If the atomic weights of lithium and potassium respectively 7 and 39, then atomic weight of sodium as per Dow-Brenner law of triads is 23. It is nothing but average of these two numbers, which is 23. 99. So the correct order of electronegativity values of the following elements. So option 3 options are given. So the answer is C less than, O less than, N less than, F. Okay. 100. The number of elements present in fourth period. So in fourth period there will be 18 elements. 101. So the non-metal present in 4A, so that is carbon family, which is carbon. Carbon itself is the non-metal present in carbon family. 102. The element with highest electron affinity among halogens is fluorine. 103. So the element M, so here it is 12 and here it is 24. That means it is the atomic number. So it belongs to 2A group. So 2A groups will form +2 charge on it. Okay. 104. The covalent bonds present in nitrogen molecule are 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. 105. The hybridization in BeCl2 of Be in BeCl2 is sp hybridization. 106. The shape of methane molecule is tetrahedral. 107. The highest bond length of the following molecules, so will be Hi. Okay, so hydrogen iodine bond length will be more when compared to others. Okay, not 8. So we should match this following. So it is belong to metallurgy, this concept. So Fe34 is nothing but magnetite, Mgco3 is magnesite, ZnS is zinc blend, H2S, Hg2S is cinnabar. So the option 3 is correct. Okay. 109. The most suitable method for concentration of sulfide ores is froth flotation. So the name of complex ion formed when Ag2S is dissolved in casein solution is dicyanoaggregate 1 ion. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity because it has delocalized pi electron system. 112. The molecular formula of cyclopentane, so it is C5H10. So the IUPAC name of this compound is but1-ene. 114. So C2H5 on oxidation with alkaline KMnO4, so gives two compounds A, and on further oxidations give compound B. So the names of these two compounds A and B are ethanol and ethanoic acid. 115. So the following hydrocarbons can show isomerism. So it is C4H10. CH3COH is an organic weak acid. 117. So the volume occupied by 10 grams of hydrogen gas at STP is 112 liters. Okay, actually 1 gram of H2 occupies 11.2 liters. So 10 grams occupies 112 liters. Okay, actually I am thinking it will be an add score because this is out of syllabus. So for 2020 syllabus of 10th, you don't have chemical reactions and equations. So I think it may be an add score. So if it's your bad luck, you may not have it. 118. So this reaction is also from second unit of deleted syllabus chapter chemistry. Okay, so the answer is double displacement reaction. 119. Which one of the following layers of metallic compound can be formed on electric wire? So the answer is metal oxide. 120. A thin layer of X is used as for galvanizing, so it is zinc. Option 3. So these are the options. That is key for set D. So if you have any doubts in this key, please comment in the comment box so that I can answer you. And if you want detailed solutions of each and every question, please comment it. So if there are many students who want solutions, I'll be doing one more video which will be helpful to you. Thank you.